DJ Girl here, and today we are going to play some dancing games. Like, this is our first one that we're going to play. Atlantis Nightclub, and then we're going to... Okay, if some people are watching right now, you want to see this next one. Well, I'm going to save this one for last, and it starts with a... It starts with an F. If you guys can guess, leave down in the comments. Let's just start playing. Oh, and I just saw someone in my server before I was playing, and guess what? I just saw like somebody was ready for Thanksgiving. I'm not ready for Thanksgiving at all.
This one is on the floor.
Look at me, I'm a regular dancer. Oh. Peace. Let's go this way, even though I'm not even walking. Who likes the hype? Oh. Who wants to see me do the hype? Want to see me do the hype? I'm gonna do the hype. Look at this. And then here comes the hype. Now that's the hype. Oh, and then his yesterday. I mean, like last year. But his birthday was like a few days ago. If you guys want to say happy birthday, leave in the comments if you want to say happy birthday. Baby. No. This is, I'm recording. Okay. Let's go back. Where's some... That's weird. Okay, I just lost my music. The music. Wait, guys, I'll be over. You guys have to move. What is wrong with this? Unplugging the device from the audio jack. Oh! You just plugged it to the audio jack. There we go. Now we're back. Let's go back now. Now you can go back up in the corner. Go back up in the corner. Did you see that? If you didn't see that, like that thing just like went off. 2 million views. 2 million views. I'm going home and I'm coming to you. Okay, I can't handle stuff singing that. I'm coming home and to you. Want to see the hype? Oh, like just like this. Can you buy glow sticks here? Yes. You know what? Let's not play this. Let's go back. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go somewhere else. No violence today. I'm not alone. Why don't we just play Fast and Famous while we're waiting? Let's play Fast and Famous, yeah, guys. Oh, and my birthday was November 2nd. And I'm 7 now. So I'm older. Because I used to be like right there. I know you guys can't see my hand, but right there. Yes, crazy for colors. All the rock, baby. Oh. No. No. Just go for this hair. So. I had to do that. I was like going crazy now because like I can see anything. I hope this one is no mission. If this one is not like in a mission, I'm gonna be so sad. Please tell me the mission. Is this in a mission? Is this in a mission? Yes, it just came in. Yes. The category is I'm so cute. Here's a cute. Leave a comment if that was cute. I don't think that was cute, but if it's cute, leave a comment down below. I think it's cute a little bit. Oh man, look at that! Go! There's only 2 hairs that you could play. Tall hairs. Come on, nobody cares. Nobody cares about the color. Tracing the beat of my heart. Tracing the beat of my heart. Tracing the beat of my heart. I know what this one is. It's not showing anything. I don't even know what anyone's even wearing. There. Why am I knocking my thing? I'm supposed to get that one. No, I'm just gonna find something random. Ew. I got my face. There's something random I can wear. Something random, please. Please, I want something random. Oh, I just found my face. That face. There's my face. I just have to take away the glasses. Buy glasses. I don't have any clothes. There's not even one clothes showing up. No clothes showing up. That means I can't find anything to wear. Nobody's finding anything to wear. Maybe this, maybe that. There's nothing to wear. There's like nothing to wear at all. Like nothing. I can't find anything to wear. No. What if I actually run out of time? I'm just gonna wear my underwear. Oh. Let me go for this. I'm gonna go for this really quickly. I had to do that because there's nothing. Nothing to wear. I don't think I'm gonna win this round. Noah, let's get out of here. This is loading. This is me. Hi. Hi. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. What is wrong with these? How do you feel about your overall PC? Covered in experts. What? Why? What does that say? Expression. Oh, it's expression. Oh, I was looking for this game. I want to show you this game. Cool. Adopt Me, Beautiful by the Restaurant Tycoon. So, you know what? I changed my mind. I have a special guest coming tomorrow, so I'm going to show you this game next time. But I'll see you around. I hope we had a little fun, even though I'm sorry about this. But we didn't get to have that much fun. But next time it's going to be way better because I'm going to play with someone. So, bye. Bye. I really hope you have an awesome night. Like, if you celebrated Thanksgiving, happy. Bye. See you guys in a little bit. Bar was so fresh, but she wasn't. So, okay. I can't get to the pause button. Oops. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. Bye.